where Daniel cell? Please can you check it? Daniel cell word. The term I given. Can you check it? So yesterday given Daniel cell. Before that Daniel cell, you can add portable. The term you can add, sir. Yesterday given any Daniel cell word. Before that one you can add portable Daniel cell. Yesterday maybe I given Daniel cell term. Before that one you can add portable Daniel cell. Is the correct one? Completed that one. Added portable Daniel cell. Oh, okay, okay. Yesterday I given anything for Daniel cell word. That Daniel cell word just add portable, that is before that one. Okay. If that is completed, then open standard hydrogen electrode. For a portable Daniel cell term, you need to add the diagram. This is a portable Daniel cell diagram. Okay. Here there is no salt bridge anywhere. If you want, you can draw this diagram. This is copper vessel, which is a black one I given fully, that is copper vessel. Inside they contain one more, there is a porous part I given, zinc rod. Zinc anyway acts as anode. Copper is copper vessel can act as cathode. Okay. We connected this through voltmeter. Inside copper zinc sulfate solution, outside copper sulfate solution. The sulfate ions of copper is can move inside to get electrical neutrality. This is the arrangement of portable Daniel cell. I think so. E cell calculation class I provided. Is E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cell equal to right minus left. I think so. I given all these things. I hope E naught cell how to calculate. These are the formulas. You noted down. We're expecting that is not indicate standard conditions. కాల్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టదు ఆల్రెడీ ఇవ్వలేదు నీ పట్టిన కూర్చో ఇంకా అది ఇచ్చిన పోగానే 2 కాలు ఇచ్చి పెట్టు మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఏడుస్తాం noted down all these things please let me know that one check it Arey, what you wrote yesterday let me know the sliding first very clearly this portable cell is I given galvanic cell I provided galvanic cell if you didn't note it down any Daniel cell term please leave that one if you noted down Daniel cell then what that is portable Daniel cell just corner of the notebook you can write or after that also you can write Array hydrogen standard hydrogen electrode you can discuss later also doesn't matter that is okay doesn't matter if you didn't note it down then leave no issue that is if you started you can note down fully this one okay Daniel cell identity given fine EMF of the cell I given that's E naught value calculations everything you noted down this is you noted down I noted down E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode okay fine very good after that rotate hydrogen is it correct fine good leave it so we are measuring SHU started is it correct standard hydrogen electrode is started is it correct you noted down the diagram page number 68 something they given page number 68 I mention you noted down that diagram open that your NCERT book page number 68 they given one diagram 68 only no page number 68 measurement of electrode potential that to standard hydrogen electrode SHE noted down the diagram also you can note it down adjacent equation also you can write potential array H is gaining electrons so reduction that is so hydrogen reduction potential zero okay if you want you can see table page number 71 table they given you may can check it page number 71 electrochemical series they provided in that case hydrogens are H plus electron electrons gives rise S2 what's that value they given 0 so this reduction or oxidation sir first you can find out reduction potential sir this is reduction what is the standard condition again 1m concentration 298 Kelvin you make standard conditions that taking 1 bar concentration is 1m let me know any voice breaking or you are not able to get my voice please let me know that one 1m concentration and temperature they given 298 Kelvin pressure they given 1 bar pressure is they are taking standard conditions for hydrogen At this time, they measure reduction potential of hydrogen. We are assuming this is our reference electrode, sir. You may can write. This is our reference electrode. So how much that value is? 0 volts. Please note down that point. This is our reference. This is our reference electrode. మధు మన దగ్గర రబ్బర్ ఉందిరా చుట్టేస్తాను ఊరికే పోతా ఉంది కింద పోతుంది పిల్లలు సార్ ఇంకిట్లేదు అంటూ ఉంటారు తీసుకురాలి got it. Array noted down these points. Hydrogen electrode. Okay. Now is it audible? Check it properly. Low voice or still okay, comfort something. Check it. Is it audible now properly? E means EMF, okay, electromotive force, which is I am calculating. E means EMF. Just EMF I am representing just in terms of EMF. For hydrogen electrode, how much EMF is? 0, sir. This is our reference electrode, 0. So whatever the table page number 71, please come to the back, 71 page number. For fluorine, how much they given, sir? Fluorine electron gaining or losing, sir? All this table there, electrons gaining or losing. Can you find out? Look at equations. Reduction, they given, sir. They given all the values is electron gaining or losing. Gaining, correct? So all the electron gaining means that is reduction or oxidation? Reduction. So what the given table is standard reduction potentials. Make a note on that word. All that they given values is standard reduction potentials. If you want, you can see table top that one 3.1 they given siding standard electrode potentials at 298 Kelvin they mentioned. So all these are reduction potentials. These potentials we measured with respect to hydrogen. All these we measured with respect to hydrogen. With respect to hydrogen, we measured, sir, all these things. Already given yesterday one point, we can't find out absolute or single electrode potentials. That point you noted down yesterday. We can't calculate single electrode potentials. Okay, or absolute E naught value can't calculate. but difference we can calculate. That's we given yesterday only that point. So here also we are going to do that one. I can't calculate exact value by using single electrode. I'm calculating with respect to hydrogen all these values. They given that full table. They're taking hydrogen is the reference electrode, then they're calculating. One example we can see with respect to that. So I'm taking here zinc and hydrogen electrode, sir. A representation of hydrogen electrode noted down. This representation, sir. This is the representation of. I'm giving here. You can see bracket. This is the hydrogen electrode representation. As it is, you have to remember platinum slash H2 slash H plus ion. So everyone you have to remember this one representation. Hydrogen electrode means I'm asking means you need to represent like this. Understood? Standard values, everything we are calculating with respect to hydrogen. Okay, not alone. Alone, how can we calculate? You can check it here. This assume that one only zinc rod with itself. How can you calculate? This is not completed in a circuit because no one is taking electron, no one giving to electron. So single cell you can't calculate. If you connect this one to other cell, then you can calculate anything. Okay. So that's one thing. I'm calculating E naught value of zinc. Okay. E naught value of zinc I am going to be calculate. You don't want to remember. First which I am explaining, concentrate that point. Later you can ask doubts. Okay. Please listen completely. Let it be complete. In between a movie are looking and coming and going back. You can't understand. Let me complete all the concept little bit. Then you can ask doubts. Just I'm talking continuously or asking doubts means they may not be good. Means we can't complete our concept. That's enough. Please wait few minutes. 100% you can clarify all your doubts. You don't worry that one. But be patient. Huh? So now I'm calculating E naught value of zinc at standard electrodes. So zinc I am arranges here. Left side is always that acts as anode. Right side is cathode. Keep in mind. This 1M solution. This also I'm taking here 1M ZnSO4 solution. We calculated by using this voltmeter and everything instrumentation. E naught cell value I calculated 0.76 volt. E naught cell value we calculated 0.76 volt. This is zinc electrode, this is hydrogen electrode. By using this electrode I calculated E naught cell value is 0.76 volt. I know that one E naught cell formula, E naught oxidation plus E naught reduction. Is that correct? Which is oxidation occur here. Zinc is oxidation. Sir, anode at anode oxidation or reduction? At anode generally oxidation. At cathode reduction occurs. So E naught oxidation we don't know. But E naught reduction of hydrogen I know that one zero value. Okay. Because our reference I am taking zero, that is by calculating E naught oxidation equal to oxidation means representation Zn slash Zn2 plus. Zn loses electrons, Zn2 plus 2 electrons. This oxidation, just oxidation representation zinc slash Zn2 plus. What is the value we are getting, sir? 0.76. Even another formula also we have that one in terms of reduction potentials. Okay. In terms of reduction potentials, we have that one E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Given all these things, E cell calculation yesterday, please look at that formulas first. Take 1 minute time. First, remember that all formulas E naught cell calculation. Please remember everyone. I'm going to be asked you, please remember all formulas first 2 minutes. E naught cell, how to calculate formulas. Please remember. So this is the formulas I given all E naught cell calculation formulas. Okay. This is everyone you noted down or not, check it and remember as it is. E naught cell calculation formula. Once remember, let me that one, then we'll continue our part. This is the formulas I'm asking. Everyone you should be remember. Or you should be note down in notes. This is the formulas. First complete. After completed, send me SMS. Sir, I completed. I done that is like that. Completed first everyone. Remember these formulas. E naught cell out to calculate. Cathode minus anode when they have reduction potentials are right minus left. If oxidation potential, anode minus cathode are left to right. So if I'm using both combination means E naught oxidation plus E naught reduction. If both combination means. So all formulas we measured very clearly given here. Please check it. I didn't get still all people that SMS they remembered or not. Okay, I can ask that one, sir, then. Only two formulas. One formula remember means opposite is the other formula. One formula remember, opposite is the other formula, sir. You no need to get confusion also here. Very simple thing. Next time I'm asking formula, you have to give your answer from which is your storage. You remember that one, not from book again. By looking book, don't give that one. If you want yourself, you can check it. You remembered or not. Write on paper and check it. Take it challenge. Very simple formula given. Take challenge everyone. It's not the very big mathematic formulas. One you remember automatically, second one you can remember. Yesterday I noted down this point, please check it. Open your class notes and check it, sir, that is. So reduction potential and oxidation potential, yesterday noted down same definition. How to show reduction potential I given this is standard conditions Mn is the reduction potential. Oxidation potential. So this oxidation M2 Mn2 plus means loss of electrons. So oxidation potential representation. If you didn't note it down, you can note down notes also. And reduction potential gaining of electron Mn plus M. Left side is M is there, right side is left side Mn plus, right side M. So you can represent this is. So now come to the back. I think you remember that formula. E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode I can write. What is the anode and cathode in this cell? Zinc acts as anode and hydrogen acts as cathode. So cathode value how much, sir? 0. Hydrogen is our reference, sir. That is 0 value. And anode minus anode, sir. So I can write E naught anode equal to minus 0.76 volt. This is reduction potential. Understood? Electron gain in terms of reduction potential formulas are this is. So this is reduction potential. Oxidation potential and reduction potential is opposite sign to each other. That's you may can check it this question by looking this is. Here reduction potential you got it minus 0.76. Oxidation I got it 0.76. Both are same value but opposite sign. So standard oxidation potential equal to minus standard reduction potential. Please note down this point. Standard oxidation potential equal to minus standard reduction potential. I think so previous class also I mentioned this one. Please note down these two formulas. So how to represent oxidation means Zn2 plus R, E naught oxidation. E naught reduction means Zn2 plus 2 Zn, reverse opposite exactly. Completed? Once completed or any doubt you may can ask. Nothing. I am calculating E naught cell value of by using this the from here onwards we are solving. I am calculating E naught cell of zinc. I am calculating. From that I calculate two methods. I use that one two formulas. One is direct formula oxidation plus reduction. I got oxidation potential that is positive sign. Reduction potential I got it from this formula E naught cell value that is negative value. So this conclusion I am telling this is the conclusion. Standard oxidation potential equal to minus standard reduction potential. This is the conclusion finally from this we are getting. So this is negative value and this is positive value. So what's the difference here? One is oxidation, other one is reduction. This is the conclusion, final conclusion. Nothing here question, this is not the question here. Okay. What is the relation between oxidation potential, reduction potential? This is the conclusion. So now we are going to do some points. After that, you will get questions. Okay, got it? These points. What is the oxidation potential, reduction potential meaning? How to represent oxidation potential? Please look into here. Zinc to Zn2 oxidation, mass of electron, reduction, reverse exactly. Okay. Now electrochemical series, write it, sir. Electrochemical series is the next heading. Please write it. Electrochemical series. They given any definition? Can you check it? Electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. Series meaning any values if you are arranging increasing order or decreasing order, that's only series, sir. Here I am going to be arrange all the E naught values decreasing order. You can see table numbers, page number 71, top to bottom. That E naught value increases or decreases. Look into that table first. Look into that, sir. Table. Top to bottom, E naught value decreases. Positive value to negative value. Write it first. Find electrochemical series. I think you see in the table the element which one have higher E naught. I think so that is all reduction potential they are given. You may can check the table. All reduction potentials. The element which one have higher E naught value, those can act as strong oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means electron gaining cell. Acts as cathode. Please note down this point. And followed by exactly opposites are another point. First write it these 2 points. Read that 2 points 2 times. What is the meaning you are understanding? Let me know that one. I'll read this point and look into the table. Both you can do parallelly. Completed. Now you can see that table, sir. And now we can give here this. I am giving 2 values. Okay. Which is anode, which is cathode? Please identify. Magnesium I given minus 2.36. Iron I given minus 0.44. The 2 points is there. Read first and apply. Which can act as anode, which can act as cathode, and which is oxidizing agent, which is reducing agent. Only 2 questions. There are only 2 answers I got. What about remaining people? Array, you know very well English that meaning. Huh? Please read that one. Higher value, lower value meaning, you know that one. I hope. Array, DSRV school. From that I need at least 5 answers. DSRV school. KVSS. I need at least 4 answers. If I am not getting 4 answers means you get again call back. Huh? PSCN. I need minimum 4 answers. Soumya, please respond, madam. What you understood? VRMS. Give 5 answers. Minimum 5 answers I need from that VRMS. Why you are in silent mode? Better to respond before I am asking. Very bad, sir. Array, still now I didn't ask that question. Now I am going to be ask you now onwards. You should be switch on your videos next. Okay. If I'm not getting properly answers means you have to switch on your video. I don't know what you are doing. Just log in, then you are playing mobile game, you are sleeping. I don't know. Na? Is it correct? And you are writing class notes or not also you don't know. For last 2 minutes, I will ask you that one. You should be switch on your video, then show that one what you done today date wise. With respect to video, you can show that one, sir. Last 5 minutes, that's I will ask you that one. Because you people are not responding at all anything. Okay. I'll ask last 5 minutes. You have to show through video all your notebook. I will ask that particular persons. Array minus 2.36 and minus 0.44, which is bigger value? Which is higher value? Minus 2.36 or minus 0.44? I think so. This is bigger value, minus 4.4. Which is higher value? Access cathode or anode, sir. First point you can see. Higher E0 value can act as cathode and oxidizing agent. Which is the higher E0 value? Iron. It acts as oxidizing agent and cathode. Similarly, opposite, which is the lower E0 value? Anode and reducing agent. How to calculate E cell, sir? E0 cell value. Both are reduction potentials. Both are reduction potentials. Both are reduction potentials means E0 cathode minus E0 anode. E0 cathode is minus 0.44 and E0 anode is minus 2.36. This is the value we are getting. Understood? Now the take table. After note down this one. How you wrote this is explanation also you can note down, otherwise you can't remember. Why we are choosing iron is a cathode? Because less E0, high E0 value compared to Mg2 plus. Okay. So take, I am giving 2 values, from that you can give answer. So what is the reaction at anode and cathode, sir? Can you write it? Reactions also. Which is anode here? Magnesium is anode. So at anode oxidation, at anode, what is the reaction takes place? At anode oxidation, Mg gives rise Mg2 plus 2 electrons. How to get how many electrons, sir? That's also mentioned very clearly. Here, magnesium 2 plus and magnesium. I mentioned magnesium converted into Mg2 plus. So looking that symbol, you can write what they converted. And at cathode, reduction. So Fe2 plus 2 electron gives rise Fe. So net reaction you can add, sir, both. Which is metals, those are solid, remaining is aqueous. So write it, Mg solid plus Fe2 plus aqueous gives rise, or electron will be cancelled. Mg2 plus. So next 2 metals which is I am providing here. Which is anode, which is cathode, you have to identify first thing. And which is reducing agent, which is oxidizing agent, also you need to identify. And you can see here how we are representing any non-metal electrode. Any non-metal, BR2 is not non-metal, sir. Any non-metal representing like this. This reduction potential is 1.09 volt. Next, Pb2 plus Pb. Its reduction potential is minus 0.13. Which is anode, which is cathode, and which is oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Question is same. Question is same. Then write it. Only the 2 points. Which is the higher value, which is the lower value, can you identify? Then enough. If you are able to identify, means your answers is over, sir. If you are not understanding, that's why I'm not getting answers, most of the people. So which is the more negative value can act as anode and reducing agent? Is it correct? Anode and reducing agent. Which is higher for E0 value contain is cathode and oxidizing agent. You can write reactions also, anode cathode reactions, write it. At anode oxidation and cathode reaction you can write. Completed. I'm writing, you can see at cathode reaction, anode reaction, at anode oxidation, sir. So Pb gives rise Pb2 plus 2 electrons, which is metals, we can keep that is solid state, which is ions, we can keep aqueous state. This is at anode. And at cathode, plus, only consider these two. Don't consider this is platinum, that is just supportive electrode. Br2 plus how many electrons? That will just 2. Then we'll get 2 Br minus. Set cathode. By add these two, always electrons should be cancelled. If any one extra electron you are getting means you didn't balance the equation properly. Pb plus Br2 gives rise Pb plus 2 plus 2 Br minus. This is the equation. Understood? So, how many people noted down, sir? For the last 5 minutes, I am going to be asked your notes. Huh? How that become 51? 50 now. Okay, we are asking me some people they left. Very good, sir. So who are left? They didn't write anything notes. I know that point. What is the E cell value? E naught cell value how much? E naught cell value. What is the formula? E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cathode, which is the cathode, sir? 1.09 minus of 0.13. Now what is the value, sir, we are getting? Again decreases 49. Very good, sir. Very good people, all these things. 1.22. 1.22 volts. Receive your answer. So understood? Now, by using that table, you can arrange which is a strong reducing agent, which is strong oxidizing agent. For example, I provided here, I am giving sir elements. You can use that table, sir. You can use table. Huh? I am asking simply, which is a strong oxidizing agent, which is a strong reducing agent. You have to arrange that one, sir. So I am giving here Ag plus 2 Ag 1 electrode. Values you can check it. Values. This is 1 and 2. Cu2 plus 2 Cu. This is 2 and 3. H plus 2 H2. 4. Cd plus 2 to Cd. Arrange this reducing character. Arrange increasing order of reducing agent nature, reducing character, sir. Arrange, you can then give answer. Are cadmium given or not? You can check it. Okay, cadmium not given. Okay, I can give instead of cadmium, chromium you can take, sir. If cadmium is not given, chromium you can take Cr plus 3. You can take, sir. Instead of cadmium, chromium you can take because I think so not given cadmium. I will give chromium, sir. So what's the answer? You can give answers. Values you can check it from NCERT book, then you can give. What is the order? Reducing characters. Reducing character. Which is a strong reducing agent. And what is the order? Mahavishnu. Correct answer. Correct answer. Stanley. Correct answer. Vimal Raj. Correct answer. What is the order? Order. Yuvashri, your answer is wrong. Gautam, Chiranjeevi. The element lower inert value, that's a strong reducing agent. Lower inert value. Please note down this point. Only 2 points, sir. You can arrange. This is the least value. So strong reducing agent. Next least 0. Next 0.34, 0.80, which is the order, sir. Same as it is. 4 is a strong reducing agent because least value. Next 3. One. So this is the answer. Are you getting my point? They will give A, B, C, D, then you have to arrange. So your homework, sir, I'm expecting from you at least 10 questions. I am expecting. You can take from the table page number 71. Open the table page number 71. Page number 71. So you need to do 10 questions, sir. You can take any 2 elements, then calculate E0 cell value. Any 2 elements, you can take fluorine, chlorine, bromine, any combinations. Magnesium, aluminum, zinc, sodium, any combination you can take. Calculate E0 cell value by using all formulas. Use one time one formula, next time other formula, all that things. Calculate E0 oxidation values of some elements. Take it homework. 10 questions are required. E0 cell calculation by using the table. You can take any your combination. Then calculate E0 oxidation at least 5 elements. So total 15 is your target. Understood? So now we can ask at least one person. Why 44? Who left? You can see that one. You people, you know that your friends na? Now I am opening that is. Check it the students list one by one. Who left? You can find out. You may can send personally, sir. I can contact them. No one will know that one who given name of that person. Check it here. I'm going slowly one by one. Who absent means who left. You may can check it. I won't accept any reason. My internet is not good, sir. I went restroom. I went somewhere. My friend calling, my boyfriend, girlfriend. I won't believe anything. Please check it here. Who are absent? Please find who present starting and now who is not there. You can read out. I think read yourself these names. Then send me personally. If you are not giving those names, then you will get punishment. Got it? Okay. Send me personally who left here. Thank you. Take break. So that's the homework. Do today. Tomorrow you can continue our class. Thank you. Thank you very much. Comments.